All right, YouTube, what we're working here with is a Mercedes E320. It's got an EC light on. It's making things not function properly. So what we want to do is try to reset that EC light. So we're going to turn the key to ignition on to position 2, which is the car is not started, but the lights are on. Climate control has set to 1. The EC light, we're going to press the EC light and the reset button both at the same time and continue to hold. Just continue to hold, and we end up clearing the EC light. Okay, so we cleared the EC light. Now, if there are no faults, what we're going to do is going to cycle ignition off. Now that the EC light was reset, and once again, we turned the ignition to 2, put the fan speed to 1, and held the EC button and the reset button. Now, if it is reset, we could just turn the unit back on. Now the EC light is back on. So unfortunately, it does not want to clear. We tried to reset it. We'll try one more time with the car on. See if the car responds to this. Alright, so what it is doing is not letting us clear the EC light because there is some kind of a fault stored. So I will check what fault is stored. The reason why I can't clear that fault code, even though it disappeared, it reappeared, is because the refrigerant level is low. So the computer will not clear it. So I got to do is clear with the computer, add more refrigerant, and then come back and once again check if that EC light is gone. So check your refrigerant levels in this car if that EC light will not reset. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.